Appreciation of the poem 3.3 Stopping by a woods on a snowy evening. Stanza 10th. Appreciation of the poem. Title: Stopping by a woods on a snowy evening. Name of the poet: Robert Lee Frost. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the first stanza is Abba. The final stanza has a uniform rhyme of A. Figures of speech, inversion, alliteration, etc. Theme: central idea. The of the poem is a traveler on the horseback stops by a little forest on a winter evening. The little forest, in the speaker's own words, was lovely, dark and deep. Though he was greatly fascinated by the scene, the call of duty urges him to move on. He reminds himself that he must discharge his duties before it is too late.